Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Daniel. So real talk, do you know what people are sleeping on right now? It's not just rhyme channels. I'm talking about channels pulling millions of views a month. And here's the part that is going to shock you. You don't even need to sing, you don't even need an animation skill, you don't even need to own your own kids in order for you to be able to do this. AI is going to do basically all the heavy lifting. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact process, the step by step, and I'm going to build one live in this video right now. So let's get right into it. Now, quick reason why this niche is actually worth your time. Parents put these videos on repeat, not just once, not twice, on repeat for hours, and that is exactly what YouTube actually loves, because watch time is the metrics that actually moves the needle the most. And honestly, this is one of the niche that is still wide open. So the first step you need to take in order for you to be able to create this nursery rhyme videos, this is what you can actually do. The first step you need to take is to pick an idea. Don't just redo the twinkle twinkle for 1,100,000 times. Everybody already knows that, and everybody, there are lots of channels that have actually talked about that. Go for something simple every day, like brushing teeth, counting animals, colors, bedtime, that kind of thing, you know. So for this demo, I'm going to be doing the brush teeth before bed rhyme. Simple, searchable, and honestly, parents actively type stuff like that into the search button. So that is what I'm going to be doing right here. So looking right here is my Android device. Now the first step you need to take is to go to your ChatGPT. You can actually use any other AI for this, but in this video I'm going to be using ChatGPT. Well, the first step I'm going to take here is to go to the prompts I've actually drafted. I'm going to leave this prompt on this video description, so if anyone needs it, you can actually use it. So right here is the prompt I've drafted out for this video. So the first one here, I'm going to copy this prompt. This is the prompt that is actually going to enable me to create the rhyme song I need for the video. So I'm going to simply head to ChatGPT like this. Meanwhile, I already have an image prompt that I'm going to be using as well. I'm going to go ahead and paste this prompt right here, which is write a short, simple nursery rhyme for toddler age 1 to 4 about brushing their teeth before bed. Now the requirement here is 2 verses, 4 lines each. Extremely simple, repetitive word a toddler can follow, sing song, rhythm, and so on and so forth. I'm going to leave this on this video description, so don't worry. So right here, I'm going to click on the send button like this. So right here is 2 verse, that is verse 1 and verse 2, and then 4 lines. So the next step you need to take here is to copy this prompt like this. Copy it, then go to your Suno AI. You can actually do that on the app itself or on the web version. So here I'm going to simply go to my browser like this and then go ahead and search for Suno AI. So right here is the Suno AI. You can see the logo. Go ahead and click on it like this. So looking right here, this is what the homepage of the Suno AI is going to appear as when you log into your account. So looking right here is style. So you need to input the style of which you want this song to be generated on. So yeah, I already drafted a prompt that is going to help you to do that. I'm going to leave that prompt on this video description. So looking right here, you can see the prompt style. Looking here, you can see prompt style. You can see cheerful children, lullaby, soft acoustic guitar, something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this like this. Then I'm going to head over to the Suno AI once more, and I'm going to paste it just like this. And the next step you need to take is to click on continue. So once you click on continue, this is where you need to add your lyrics. So right here, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and copy that lyrics and paste the lyrics right here. That is the first verse and second verse that I want to use for the lyrics. Now here, I'm going to click on continue like this. So looking right here, this is the style, this is the lyrics. Looking right here, it says your song is almost ready. So here, I'm going to go ahead and click on create. So right here, it says you are making your song. So here is the song. I'm going to play it. Brush, brush, so as you can see, the song actually sounds nice. You need to make it your own so that you won't be booked for copyright. So right here, I'm going to input my own title. So once you're done, go ahead and click on save like this. So right here, you now have the song. Now it says here, copy the link in order for you to be able to share it with someone so that they'll be able to listen to it. But I don't want to do that, so I'm going to click on skip like this. So right here is your home page. So in order for you to be able to save that song to your own phone, this is what you can simply do. Click on the line icon at the bottom of your screen. You can see that 4-line icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, you're going to be able to see the song you just created. Right here, you can see the prompt, right? This song right here. So you just need to go ahead and tap on the 3 dots icon close to the song, and you'd be able to see this option of download. So if you click on download like this, you can either download it as MP3 audio or whichever one here if you are using the pro account. So I'm going to be downloading it here as MP3 audio like this. So before you click on download anyway, looking right here, it says need commercial rights. Only pro and premium songs are eligible for commercial use. So you won't be able to use this if your song is not a pro or premium song. So only pro and premium songs are eligible for commercial use. So you won't be able to use this song if you are using a free account. That is what they actually display right here. It says only pro and premium songs are eligible for commercial use. Upgrade now and this song will be upgraded too. So it's either you upgrade for you to be able to use your song for commercial use, that is for the niche that you want to use it for, or you use the pro version and you don't make those videos public. So right here I'm going to click on download anyway, like this. So I'm actually doing this for the sake of this video. If you are using this, you need to use the pro version of the Suno AI. So that is how you're going to generate your songs for the video. I think the pro version is not that expensive. It's going to cost you around $8, something like that, and it's actually worth it. So for your images and prompt, this is what you need to do. Go to your browser like this, just as you did for the Suno. Right here, you just need to go ahead and search for Google Flow AI. This is the link right here, Google Lab, like this. Go ahead and click on it like this. So right here is what the website appears like. You need to go ahead and click on create with Google Flow. You can see that option right here. Click on create with Google Flow like this. So right here, looking on the screen, you can see the option of new project. So you just simply need to go ahead and click on new project like this. So once you do this, go ahead and paste the prompt for the first scene right here. So I already drafted the prompt that I want to use for this video. So this is for the first scene, this is the second scene, and this is the third scene. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the prompt like this. In your own case, while generating the lyrics, that is the rhyme, you can also tell ChatGPT to give you the scene that you're going to use for the video. So here I'm going to paste the prompt right here. Now make sure that it is on Nano Banana. Click on it like this, select 16.9, and then go ahead and select 1x so that it is going to generate 1 for you, so that you'll be able to save your credit as well. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on video, not image. Select 16.9, select 1x, and select, you can use 8 seconds, and then go ahead and click on the send button. So looking right here is the video for the first scene, as you can see here on the screen. So the next step you need to take is to generate as well for the second scene. So I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm just going to go ahead and generate it. So looking right here, still on Google Flow, this is the first scene, the second scene, and the third scene. Once you are done generating all the scenes you need for your video, the next step you need to take here is to tap on them. Tap on the first scene like this, click on the download button, and it is going to be downloaded. Click on the second scene as well, tap on download, and save it to your device. Now tap on the second scene as well, the third scene as well, click on download. Depending on how many scenes you have, just download all of them to your device. So once you're done downloading it, you can now move out from the Google Flow and go to your CapCut in order for you to be able to edit the video, and also join the visual in order to make it a YouTube video. So click on create like this on your CapCut, select the first scene, second scene, and third scene, depending on how many scenes you want to use for your video. So this is it like this. So right here, I'm going to tap on this and use my finger to expand this a little bit like this. Likewise for the other scene, because I don't want this logo to be showing, and I'm going to do that again for it, this like this. So in order for you to add that song which you actually created, this is what you can do. Click on audio like this, click on sound, and then click on file like this, click on device, scroll, and you're going to see brush. Looking right here, you can see brush. That is the song I actually created. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it like this, select it like this, and allow it to be playing on the background. So this is it. So once you're done editing it, you can now go ahead and click on the export button at the top right corner of your screen and export it to your device, and then you are good to go. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now do it to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Tell me in the comment section if you are going to try this out. See you in the next video. It has always been Daniel.